everyone, welcome to an additional market update. As today there has been some significant news pushing the prices up of the cryptocurrency markets. But before we're going to continue, I'd like to ask you to become a subscriber to the channel beneath here and also like the video. That's helping me a lot to grow this channel to a bigger audience, as we have got some goals to hit this year. What is the news? It's quite straightforward. Everybody has heard of it. Tesla buys 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, plans to accept it as a payment. It announced in a SEC filing on Monday that it has bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. So they already bought them, and I am very interested to know at what level they did, but they have been one of the big buyers recently, which is also to be seen on the on-chain analysis, which shows that there is a significant decrease in Bitcoins on exchanges, and it could be a reason what's through what we saw with Tesla or also MicroStrategy and all the big guns doing this. Next to this, we also have the launch of the CME futures on Ethereum today, through which we get more liquidity into the market. So it's a massive day. But then, even bigger than just holding Bitcoin is that it also said that it would start accepting Bitcoin as a payment for its products. And if Bitcoin becomes a payment solution for Tesla, it's just a matter of time before other companies are jumping into this new wave that we're seeing here, in which Bitcoin and probably all the cryptocurrencies are going to be adopted as legal payment solutions. And the decentralization and digitalization of our economy and world is going to be significant, as transferring money through a cryptocurrency to the other side of the world is going way faster than doing it through PayPal or a wire transfer. So this is definitely the future. Then the boring, or at least the annoying part, is that Elon Musk has also been spam tweeting about cryptocurrencies recently, as Dogecoin has been doing well and Bitcoin has been seeing a significant move the last time this happened, as we can see on the arrow here. So previously Elon Musk also tweeted about Bitcoin, actually hinted towards the news today, as it said it was inevitable. And then we have the news today, which says that they have already bought those Bitcoins, which means that they're not buying it right now, but it could trigger a massive wave of companies doing it as well. So what we saw on the price action is this flip of 38k, critical breaker above the level of 40.5 to 41 as discussed. First we rejected in this range, and now we are seeing strength as we push through it. Something to keep in mind is that we're currently above the recent high, and we have been experiencing that many times. So we have experienced a similar figure during the halving period, in which we broke above the recent high, also due to news in this period, and then we broke back south into the range construction. Similarly, in the period in August, we also did see such a construction, after which the price fell back into the range. So we have to take in mind that this breakout here could be a similar figure. What has to happen in order to sustain the bullishness? We have to see this 40.5 to 41 level hold as support. So do you want to FOMO in at these levels? Nah, but you want to look at levels that has to be flipped as support. So if you're day trading, any of these triggers at 32 or any in this range or this flip, that is your long. So you're looking for a similar start or similar figure in this range here around 41 that has to flip as support. If we get there and we smack through it, I'm assuming we're going to hit around 37 at a very fast pace as we're back inside the range. But as long as we hold that 41k area and we continue the grind, and we do not get anything like a rising wedge construction, which could be on the tables here as well, but still very premature. But if we continue the grind, the next target zone is based on Fibonacci extension. Here is the 1, here's the 0, previous corrective move extension, and I'm looking at 50k. So as long as Bitcoin holds above this level at 41k, I think we could be continuing towards 50. So this is the critical level right now you should be looking at. Then finally, we do know Doji, and I've been discussing this earlier this morning, in which Doji has been making these beautiful support resistance flips in which you were looking for trigger points. Similarly, we've spotted 2 of those tests here, granting small pushes of about 20% during the day. So those have been giving you very nice scalp trade entries. Right now you simply see that there is not an entry on the 1 hour. On the 15 minute might be one, but still a little bit too tricky. If we do get a new grind up, you can also use Fibonacci for target definition of this current move. Then we're looking at this range here just above the previous high around 260. If this level around 160 is lost, I'm going to look at 120. So finally, how are my eyes doing? As we don't have a live stream right now, my eyes are improving significantly today. So I'm getting more relaxed with that is progressing. And I hope I can finally wake up tomorrow without any pain at all. And then hopefully be back on Wednesday or Thursday. So I'm progressing, market is doing fine. I've given you 2 market updates. Let's subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again tomorrow morning with a fresh market update. Ciao.